Hello, Durjoy. How is it going?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And what about you?
I am fine, thank you. So, what is today's topic?
I'd like to talk about paraphrasing.
Okay, so what is paraphrasing?
Paraphrasing is a process of rewriting a statement or a text in our words and in our own way.
Okay, so what are the process of paraphrasing a text?
Paraphrasing a text, we can following three steps,
What are they?
like changing sentence structure. We can change the sentence structure when we paraphrase. Like Rohim is a student. He reads in class 8. We can use this word. Rohim is a student and he is in class 8.
Okay, so it means by changing sentence structure, we can paraphrase a text. For example, Rohim is a boy, he is a student of class 8. So we can paraphrase it in this way like Rohim is a boy and he is a student of class 8. It means when you see a structure of a sentence, like when you see simple sentence, you can convert it into compound sentence or complex sentence. So in short, if we say by changing sentence structure, we can paraphrase a text. Okay, so the next one is
We can paraphrase a text by using synonyms. We can use synonym this when we paraphrase any text. Like Rohim is a meritorious student. We can paraphrase this sentence. Rohim is a intelligent student. We can use this sentence instead of meritorious, and and that's why we can paraphrase this text.
okay. Here is intelligent. It means the alternative word of
Meritorious.
meritorious. Okay. So in this way, we can also paraphrase a text. So okay, what is the final step of paraphrasing?
The final steps of paraphrasing by adding or removing words. We can add something when we paraphrase and we can remove something when we paraphrase. But we have to remember that we cannot change the meaning of the word when we paraphrase any text.
Okay, so you are trying to say that we cannot change the main idea or original idea from a text. So when we paraphrase, thank you very much. And in short, if we say paraphrase is the process of rewriting a text in our own way, and there are three ways we can paraphrase a text. One is using synonym, we can paraphrase, and by changing sentence structure, we can paraphrase a text. At the same time, the final one is by adding something or by removing something, we can paraphrase a text. But we have to remember that while paraphrasing, we cannot change the meaning of a text. It means you are not allowed to changing the main idea, I mean original idea. So thank you very much for today's topic. And you can see here there is a newspaper. Before closing the video, I would like to say something about reading newspaper as it is very important. And who are watching this video, I want to give you a suggestion that is make a good habit of reading newspaper, especially English newspaper, to boost up your English. So I have some simple questions to you. Do you read any English newspaper?
Yes, sir. Every day I read Daily Sun newspaper.
Okay, so do you think that reading newspaper is important?
Yes, sir. Reading newspaper is important in our life because when we read newspaper, we get many new words.
Okay, so when you read any newspaper, when you face any difficulties, like when you get tough words, what you do?
So when I read newspaper and when I get a tough word meaning and I write them down and I solve this problem and then I memorize all this word meaning.
Okay, fantastic. It means when you read newspaper, when you find in difficulties like tough word or sentence structure, then you solve, and after that, you memorize the advanced words or new words, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how long you have been reading newspaper?
Every day I read 1 hour.
Okay, so how long you have been reading newspaper? It means the answer will be I have been reading newspaper for 6 months or 1 year or something like that. Okay.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. So my message is uh, make a good habit of reading English newspaper and do it every day. And if you maintain the consistency, if you read on regular basis, your English will boost up. Thank you very much for today's discussion.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.